What's going on, party people? As y'all can see, I'm giving y'all the game tonight. Yeah, y'all see the Holy Trinity, right? I'm going to make something special, something called curry chicken. So let me let you into my special spice secret, right? I got the paprika, I got the pimento seeds, I got the onion powder, I got a little bit of that grapeseed oil, I got a little Tony Chachere brown ginger, I got of course the curry powder, I got garlic plus, use any type of seasoning you want. Okay, I got my chicken right there in the back, got a candle burning, right? Food, right? I got me some thyme, I got me some I got some yellow and purple onion. You don't have to use both. You can use either or. I got some ginger, some fresh ginger. I got some habanero pepper. I'm probably use about just one of those. I got some green, red, orange pepper. I got my fresh ginger. I got a tomato. And I got my green onions, also known as scallions, right? So I'm getting ready to go chop all that up and prepare. So stay tuned. Yeah. Cook up curry chicken. Yes. Now that all my veggies are chopped up, as you can see, I got the tomatoes, I got the red, orange, green pepper. You don't have to use all those types of peppers. I just think that basically gives it a different blend of flavor that I like. Let's say for instance you at home and you don't want any kind of, you don't feel like you just tired and you don't feel like chopping up any kind of vegetables. You can cheat. You can use this stuff right here, which is, tomato based, and it works, right? Opposed to using fresh. But I'll tell you, you get your best flavor when you use fresh vegetables. Okay. I got my onions, I got my thyme, I got my fresh ginger chopped up. I didn't chop up my habanero pepper because you don't want it too much spicy. I got my green onions and I got my garlic all diced. And y'all know this is right, my plantain. All I do is cut that up, and then once I cut that up, I fry it with some vegetable oil. And I'm ready to go. Now the only thing left is for me to basically wash my chicken with some white vinegar and water, and then de-skin them, take the skin off of it, and put it in the pot, start doing what I do. Alright, stay tuned, I'll be right back. Yeah, check it out. So basically I season my chicken, right? I season the chicken first. After you season your chicken thoroughly, now you want to add the curry. Once you add the curry to it, you want to throw it in the pot. So the next time I come back on, I'm going to show you my chicken already in the pot. So like I said, you want to just add the curry to the chicken. You may want to wear gloves because this curry will basically stick to your skin. Okay? See, so we doing it, baby. Curry chicken's all black. And you want to always save a little bit of your seasoning, including season your water. I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. So, what I did was I put a little bit of that olive oil in there, right? And after I thought the olive oil was hot enough, I just add my seasoned curry chicken to it. Now the way how the chicken cooked down, it's gonna create its own water, right? So just make sure you pay attention to how much water you have in there, because the water is also your gravy, right? If it don't create enough, you can always add a little bit of water. And make sure you season your water. That's what I was trying to tell you a little while ago. Season your water with some of your basic seasoning so that you don't dilute what you have here already. So what I do is, now that it's cooking like this, I'm gonna put the top on there and let it cook down, and then flip the chicken over to where both sides is cooked fairly. And then once I feel that my chicken is cooked, it's no longer raw, that's when I add all my vegetables. And then I cook it with the vegetables. That's how you get all that flavor. Water. You see? Stir it around, okay? Stir it around. You know, what I'm gonna do after a while, I'm gonna cook down a little bit more. And then I'm going to add some water because it's not going to add some water. Just create a little gravy, okay? But this stuff smells real good, man. I love it. I love it. Oh, curry chicken, baby. Medium high heat. Top back on. We tend to do something else while we got the chicken going. So it's rice. Back again. I didn't have to add no water. As you can tell, this chicken has produced its own water. Fair enough amount. So that's all. That's actually a good thing. Yeah, you see that? So mix it around a little bit. So next thing is, right, add our other flavoring. The pimento seeds is already in there with the chicken. I added it with the raw chicken. The next thing I do now, add flavor to it. Right. I'm gonna break this up and throw it back in there. I love to eat my veggies. Thyme in there already. Add some more, but just break up the branch. Add my pepper. I'll leave it together like that. If you break it open, it's gonna be real peppery. So I don't want that. I just want a little bit of pepper, not too much. My children like to eat this here, so we'll put it in. So very colorful, very beautiful. Quick meal too, man. Let's do what it do. And I'll be back for another check. Eat, y'all. Smell it. One. Keep going to the building, baby.